Follow these steps to fix YouTube Studio upload stuck on processing will begin shortly. Firstly, clear cache for the YouTube. For that, launch your Settings app, navigate to the option General, click on iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, find YouTube Studio and launch it. Now click on Upload and confirm it. Wait for a few seconds and reinstall it. For the Android device, press and hold on the YouTube Studio app, click on the option App Info. Now, from the storage, clear data as well as cache. This will remove temporary files that often cause upload problems. Next, check for the update. Launch Play Store or App Store, search for the app YouTube Studio. If you see the option Update, click on it. Lastly, check the server status of YouTube. For that, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website like Down Detector, search for YouTube. If you see reports or a red spike, it means YouTube server are experiencing issues. In that case, there is nothing you need to fix. Just wait a little while and the upload will start working again once the servers are back online. Clearing the cache and keeping the app updated fixes most cases, but when it's a server issue, patience is the key. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.